Alright, YouTube, today's episode is a really quick and simple tomato taco. So take 2 tacos of your preference, small ones, and we're going to heat those in the pan. So once in the pan, you want to take these tacos and just keep flipping them and brown them to your preference, both of them. Alright, YouTube, so you can see how that it's darkened. So the thing you're going to want to do is take these tacos and overlap them. Then we'll go to the next step. Alright, so we have those things crisscrossed. Now take vine ripe tomatoes and just lay those across. You can dice them. Do it whatever way you want. Alright, so after you have those tomatoes on there, take your cheese and spread the cheese across this. Use the cheese that you want. I'm using a combination of American and white, and then we're going to microwave this for 30 seconds. Alright, YouTube, so I did the microwave for 30 seconds. Now we're going to put the final thing on. Green Verde. Sprinkle that on. Or should I say splash it on? And this makes for a perfect and easy tomato taco using the cheese of your choice. Then the thing you can do is just fold this over like that and eat it like a taco, or keep it like that and just eat it as is. Talk to you soon, Dansoy Cook. Peace.